everybody, and welcome once again to your home decor channel. My name is Glam and Designs. I am super excited and grateful for all of you guys. This channel is growing so fast that I can't even tell you. And guys, we are so close to the 2,000 mark. And once we hit the 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway. So if you enjoyed this video, just share with your friends and family. And who knows, maybe I'll do 2 giveaways since it's gonna be 2K. Well, in this occasion, I'll be sharing with you a Christmas home tour, and I really hope that you all enjoy it. If I DIY certain items, I will list them as a suggested videos, and also it's gonna be all on the description box below so you can see how I made that item. And with nothing else to say, welcome home, Merry Christmas, and enjoy the home tour. So guys, this is the end of this video, but I would love to have you here. If you're not part of the family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. And if you're already part of the family, thank you so much for watching. And comment down below and let me know if you would like to see a last Christmas DIY of the season. I'll make the video for the weekend. Just leave your comments down below and let me know if you want to see that DIY where I made the pillow, the fur cane, and the little gift, the fur gift. And just a reminder guys, so there is still time for you to enter to the giveaway of my last video. So go to that video, share with your friends and family. You still have time to enter. Is until December 27th and the winner will be announced on December 29th. Thank you all for watching and happy holidays. Ciao guys.